Hello everyone, welcome to this new video to talk about Marketing Cloud growth. Today I will show you how you can use the email builder within this new Marketing Cloud product from Salesforce. We will also see how you can build like the campaign flow. So campaign flow are the automation system designed specifically for the marketer. If you are an administrator, you already know what is a Salesforce flow. With Marketing Cloud Growth and Advanced, we have the new type of flow that are dedicated for the marketer that we call campaign flow. So we will also explore this aspect of Marketing Cloud Growth. As always, if you have any question, please ask me directly in the comment below, and let's get started with the demonstration. Thank you. I will show you what we have built into Marketing Cloud Growth and how you can get started with creating an email template and a campaign specifically. So as you can see here, I have created a new campaign to promote a new car that is coming on the market. So we could imagine that a dealership promotes a car and they want to send a campaign to their email client. So the first thing that we will be doing is creating a sort of brief, a marketing brief. So the marketing brief is pretty straightforward. The idea is really to show what is the campaign about, who are we targeting, the key message, and additional information. So that when your team goes on the campaign, they understand what is it about. After that, we have the details. So here, if you are familiar with Salesforce in general, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, mostly Sales Cloud, you will get familiar with that. So you will understand it's about categorizing your campaign, letting know when it starts, when it ends, if it's active, the number of opportunity generated, and the cost of it. Here, it's quite interesting. We will have information such as what are the marketing form connected, the landing page connected. So let's say you create a landing page that have a specific form. You will be able to inject directly people that submit the form into this specific campaign, and they will be able to receive marketing communication from this campaign. Here, the campaign member. So here it can be quite interesting. You can add directly contact and lead to your campaign just by clicking on that. So if you want to have like a manual campaign where you select one by one people that should receive this campaign, this can be a great opportunity because it's very easy. I think one of the benefits of this platform is where I'm very impressed is that it's very easy and straightforward. And this is exactly what we want for this kind of platform. So here, this is the interesting part. You have the possibility to create flows. So flow, it's like sequence of action, sequence of marketing action that are triggered either by a schedule or by another action, but specifically by a schedule. So let's say you send an email, you will schedule it for next Monday, for example. Here you can select the segment as well. So here you will have the possibility to add people that are directly from the campaign that we highlight here, or you will have the possibility to create your own segment based on specific rule. You have a lot of different choice, but it's very easy to set up, and you can clearly, even with no experience in marketing, you can do that. So for example, here we have a segment that is equal to the campaign ID that we are working on. So very easy. This was made automatically when setting up the campaign. So very interesting and straightforward. Okay, so now what else do we have after segment? We have the email. So this is what really matter. It's the email with the email template. So I can edit it and give you a quick overview of what it looks like. So basically here it's a drag and drop email builder, very simple, very easy. It's very classic as well in a way that now like an easy drag and drop builder is expected in every marketing system. And I think Salesforce did quite well in implementing this email builder. So as you can see here, we have the subject line, the pre-header, and here we will have the possibility to add image, logo, for example, directly from the CMS. So for example, if I click here, I will be able to, if I unpublish the template, so I will have to unpublish it, tack, I will have the possibility to change all of that. Here we have some HTML blocks, so if you want something a bit more complex, a bit more custom, you will have the possibility to create your own HTML and CSS directly. The button, description, image from CMS that can be replaced easily. So yeah, very, very simple, very easy. I think everyone with like that is a marketer that is not technical will clearly enjoy this platform. And this is a good thing. So, okay, now we are going back to the next step. So like the interesting part about the flow on the campaign is that they are very easy to get started with. So for example, as you can see, I have my email template that is here. And after that, I will decide that I want to wait for 7 days. And after I can add the next step. So for example, I can send another email, or I can decide to send an SMS. But let's get started with SMS. I'm not sure, I haven't enabled SMS yet, but it's just to show you. So like you have the basic capability of working with a sequence of action in automation that allow you to create different actions, such as sending an SMS, sending an email. Here, as you can see, when we send an email, we wait 7 days, and after we send an SMS, now I can click on new SMS. So this, I haven't configured SMS, obviously, but it's just to give you a quick understanding of what can be done directly with the Marketing Cloud Growth platform. So here I can say, for example, I have a preview, and I can say, would you be interested in buying a Mercedes G-Class? Type. And here I have everything. I can save it, publish it. So I might need to have like a specific thing that I need to do that is not enabled yet, but this gives you a quick understanding. Tack. And now if I come back to my campaign, in my, like the flow of my campaign that we have created, you will see that I will send an email first based on a schedule, and then I will wait for 7 days and then send an SMS. So this is what we call campaign flow. I think Salesforce did a great thing to make it very simple, straightforward, and easy. And if you need more complexity, you can click here. So here is an interesting part. It will be the Salesforce flow as we know the flow in Salesforce. So this will be more complex, but it will give you the possibility to build something more deep in terms of functionality, more integrated to the overall platform. So as you can see here, the flow, like the campaign, if I go back here and I show you, the campaign that we have created together is in fact a flow. So this campaign, we will have the possibility to access the flow that is related, that we have built together. And we will see the two different views. One view is simplified. The other one is more complex, but more functionality are accessible. This is the simplified view. So this will be great for people that are not technical, a marketer that want to build things simply and get it right first without having to code or to work with a lot of different logic. And here you will have the possibility to view and to build more complex flow. So this you will require a bit more understanding of the Salesforce platform and how flow are working, but you can get deeper into the functionality. You will be able to also, for example, create record, get record. All of that is from Salesforce CRM. Is what your Salesforce admin usually work with, but you can do something amazing just with that already. It's really in the future if you want to go deeper. So for example, getting like the lead record associated, or like doing something that have a relation with Salesforce CRM or Salesforce Service Cloud, that you will go in this view. But it's quite interesting, right? Because this flow that is a Salesforce flow is in fact available here as well in a different view into Marketing Cloud Growth. So that's pretty much in terms of how to set up an email campaign and a flow in Marketing Cloud Growth. I hope you enjoy this video. As always, if you have any question, please let me know in the comment. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.